Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be playing Trophies Quest video games. Let's get started. P-L-L-A-A-Y, play. Let's get this, So I know these, I've played these games, I know these games, and I know it's like, you have to like click on, like, this? Oh, okay. Only took 20 clicks. Portal. Oh, okay. So that was a fail. Maybe I click the portal gun. Okay, that works. Now eat the cake. Wait, why didn't that work? What? Why didn't that work? Oh, I'm confused. Click here and then that. Wait, anything else to click? Wait, there's something over there to click. So maybe if I hear that, then this? Nope. I guess not. Okay, so maybe this. Then oh yeah, the orange port. So let's click that. And there we go. I think that's right? And now it's his birthday. Let's go. Next level. Okay, that's not what you do. How do I do this? Oh, I guess I did it. Smarter than I think. Sir, you're gonna get... Is this Assassin's Creed? Sir, you're assassin. I get it, you're silent but deadly, but you have to fart. Maybe... Oh, something click. Oh! I didn't think it was gonna happen. Well, now what? Okay, that was faster than expected. Let's go next level. Kill it. Kill. Oh, that didn't work. Anything down here? Wait. Anything with the letters? Okay, shoot him. Wow, I'm better than this than I expected. Is this VR Minecraft? It appears he is making, I don't know, a dirt fortress. What? Take the glasses off. It was the parents in the wait. Why was that kid playing with poop? Okay, can we redo that real quick? Okay, so like you click, right? Then the mobs come, right? But you take your glasses off. Why is this kid playing with poop? No. Okay. Well, I'm not gonna question that. Maybe we... No, okay. Oh! Okay. I honestly didn't know what that was. I was confused. Ooh. Foolish him. Is that it? No, maybe he does something. Maybe you'll fly. Okay, so this is the first one that's actually getting me puzzled. Oh! Okay, I thought I was gonna do something like he is gonna come back. I guess I did it. No, I guess. Oh. Oh, okay. That works. Is this the goat game? Okay then. Do we shoot the rocket? And then... do we... maybe... okay, so I can hold it down, the goat. What'd I do? How do I do this? What? I'm confused. I'm honestly puzzled, because that's what I was doing. Well, that was shorter than expected. Well, maybe there's another trollface we could play. Let's go... okay, I'll get another one up for you guys. Okay, I got another trollface up for it's TV shows. Okay, that was, let's see. Now what? Okay, so, I got that done, but now what do I do? Oh, okay. Let's go. Got that done. Okay. Hint. Okay. Well, that worked. Okay, guess not. I think I've done this one before. Anything else I can do though? Hint! Now what? Ooh. Aha! Don't do that, please. Not to children, but it's a trollface quest. Let's continue. Annoying orange? Not sure how to do this. Maybe, this Burlington will help me out. No, probably not. I'm sorry. What do I do? Oh, I do not have enough time to do these though. Well, everyone, I guess I'll try and get these two done, because I'm running out of time, but then I'll continue in a different video. Well, let's see. Hint. Oh, okay. Well, I got that done. Let's go to the next one. How do I do this one? I am puzzled. Anything in the background? Nope. Oh, there's something here. I am puzzled. I want to hint. Well, there goes all my hints. Let's keep on trying to get this one done. Wait. I can't seem to figure this out. Spam click. Spam click. Oh! Well, let's go. Well, that's all the time I have right now. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you in another video. Bye!